Hi, my name is Shruti Yogi and I'm the celebrity today with Bioscope.
Hi Shruti.
Hi.
Shruti, you have a lot of followers on Instagram, social media, and there are a lot of people जिनको जानना है बहुत सी चीज़ें श्रुति के बारे में, श्रुति की पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में. ऑफ कोर्स आपके पोस्ट से हर कोई जज करने की कोशिश करता है कि श्रुति को ये पसंद है, वो पसंद है. तो आज हम आपसे जानना चाहते हैं कि श्रुति को क्या पसंद है, श्रुति कहाँ पे बॉर्न हुई है, उनकी हॉबीज़ क्या हैं, उनकी इंस्पिरेशंस क्या रही हैं टू कम इन दिस इंडस्ट्री एंड बी so famous on social media. So first of all we want to know कि आपकी इंस्पिरेशन क्या रही.
So मैं एक ऐसी फैमिली में बॉर्न हुई हूँ जहाँ पे like in my family like all the girls are working, like my mother is a teacher and my sisters are like into government service and all. So these are the ladies which have inspired me all my life. And then I have like my brother who is not into like these profession like doctor, teacher and everything. But he did like his own business and so yeah, my mom and my brother, these are my inspirations.
Okay, तो आपको सोशल मीडिया को लेकर के when you started posting कि मैं सोशल मीडिया पे जाती हूँ and I need to create something which is very inspiring for other people.
Yeah, so initially I didn't realize, like I had no idea what is social media. And so I was doing TV in the beginning and that's how I gained my followers. And because of those followers, like I got into this social media thing.
Okay.
And yeah, now I'm quite serious about it and I put a lot of efforts to like make my feed look good.
तो मैंने जब श्रुति का अकाउंट पहली बार देखा ऑन सोशल मीडिया तो आई सॉ कि आपने बहुत सारे ट्रैवल ब्लॉग्स किए हैं. यू ट्रैवल अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस, आप उसके ब्लॉग्स बनाती हैं, IGTV वीडियोस डालती हैं. सो आई वांटेड टू नो लाइक डू यू लाइक टू ट्रैवल एंड यू वांटेड टू बी अ ट्रैवल ब्लॉगर?
Yeah, that is I want to do fashion and travel blogging and yeah, I'm like doing few like travel blogs in future. So yeah, I definitely want to do that.
What is the best place that you want to visit which you have not done as of now?
I think I would like to go to Iceland and Norway.
Okay.
I want to witness the northern lights.
और अब तक आप सबसे अच्छी प्लेस पे जहाँ पे आपने कहीं विजिट किया हो?
अच्छी place, to be very frank, I'm very choosy and I always choose the best places. So I've done Switzerland, which is beautiful, everybody knows.
Wow.
And then I really like Croatia.
Okay.
That is
I think you had been there recently और
yeah.
वहाँ का आपने शायद वो पोस्ट.
Then I also like Budapest. Like all places are beautiful, but then yeah.
Okay. So what are your hobbies?
I like hobbies.
So apart from acting and blogging, doing fashion things,
yeah.
what do you do for yourself?
For myself, I sleep a lot. I watch Netflix and I work out. I like working out.
Okay.
So yeah.
Since you are into fitness और आप बहुत fit भी हैं, तो what do you do in your daily routine? So everybody would want to know आप क्या खाती हैं, कब उठती हैं, ब्रेकफास्ट कैसा होता है, लंच कैसा होता है, कितना प्रिकॉशन लेती हैं, वर्कआउट कितने घंटे करती हैं?
Yeah, so you won't believe that I have never done diet in my life and I'm not foodie.
Okay.
So yeah, I since I'm not foodie, so I just try to eat healthy. So I go on like fruits and I'm vegetarian, so I just have like Indian food. I like Italian and I like salads and all. And I wake up really late and I really want to fix that thing.
Okay.
So I wake up around 10:30 every day when I'm not working, and then I work out for 45 minutes. That's it.
Okay. तो You had decided like ऐसे बचपन का कोई सपना था कि नहीं बचपन से मुझे एक्टिंग ही करनी है या फिर?
No, I just wanted to get married.
Okay.
मेरा बचपन का सपना था कि मैं शादी करूं.
Okay. और कौन से साल से आपने सोचना शुरू किया कि बस अब मुझे रेडी हो गई हूँ मैं शादी करने के लिए and I want to go ahead?
Actually, मुझे नहीं लगता था कि मैं कभी भी शादी के लिए रेडी होंगी. I mean, this is one thing like जिसके लिए आप शायद कभी रेडी नहीं होते. So yeah, I never thought that I would be like ever like ready for shadi.
Okay. What is your favorite attire?
I love like I feel comfortable in like Western, but I really like Indian.
Okay.
Yeah, it suits me a lot, I feel.
So what is your best comfortable fashion sense?
A simple T-shirt and a hot pants.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is your favorite day of the week?
Sunday.
Sunday. Because you don't get to work on Sunday?
Yeah, because I don't until unless I'm paying like somebody's paying me a lot of money, I would not like to work on Sunday. I'm not working on Sundays.
आपको कितना टाइम लगता है तैयार हो जाने में?
I take 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
With बड़े बाल और
Yeah, so
okay.
yeah, 40 minutes.
Who is your first celebrity crush?
बचपन में मुझे आमिर खान बहुत पसंद थे.
Okay.
So yeah, that was like first celebrity crush.
और अब?
Now I really like like we all like Ranveer Singh, and I like Ed Westwick a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
अच्छा, आप क्या करेंगे अगर आपको रणवीर सिंह से मिलने का मौका मिला तो?
धमाल, जो वो हमेशा करते हैं उनके साथ.
और क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप फर्स्ट थिंग?
इतनी एनर्जी लाते कहाँ से हो यार?
हाँ. इफ़ यू कुड ट्रैवल बैक इन टाइम, आप कहाँ जाना चाहोगे और क्या चेंज करना चाहोगे?
I would go back in 2015 when I was doing Balaji show, and so I was like really frustrated with my timings and schedule. So I feel like I couldn't give my 100% back then. So I would just go back and fix that.
Okay.
I'll be more serious.
Okay. हमने देखा कि आपने सबसे पहले जो है डेली सोप से या फिर सीरियल्स के साथ में शुरू किया, तो व्हाट वाज द रीज़न दैट यू ओनली वांटेड टू गो विद दैट? एंड मैंने ये भी सुना है कि यू डिड नॉट वांटेड टू बिकम एन एक्ट्रेस.
Yeah, so I shifted in Mumbai because I wanted to do some course. So I shifted here, and somebody just gave me a film with Manjot Singh, the Fukhre guy, and I couldn't act. And that was really bad. I felt really bad that I couldn't act, and I spoiled the whole day for my team. And then I went to theatre and I did plays with Makarand Deshpande. And yeah, since then I'm like pretty serious about acting.
Okay. आपको पता था कि आप इतने फेमस हो जाओगे अचानक से आकर के एंड सोशल मीडिया पे?
I still don't think I'm famous.
Okay. हमें लगता है कि आप बहुत फेमस है, आपके फॉलोअर्स को लगता है कि आप बहुत फेमस है.
Yeah, but नहीं, ऐसा मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था. But yeah, I'm still like there's one thing, मैंने हमेशा like कोशिश की है कि मैं जो भी करूँ मैं रेगुलर रहूँ उस चीज़ पे. So I just believe in that. I'm just doing my thing.
Okay. और कोई ऐसा स्पेशल टैलेंट है कुछ आपके अंदर apart from acting?
Apart from acting, बचपन में मैं बहुत पेंटिंग्स करती थी and I used to draw. So yeah.
आप अभी भी करते हो?
I'm very crafty, so I like doing.
So आप कुछ क्रिएट करते हो? बिकॉज मैंने कुछ भी आपके पोस्ट में मैंने ऐसा नहीं देखा कि आपने कुछ क्रिएटिव बनाया है which you want to post and showcase.
Okay, so I'll start doing that then.
Okay. Because that is other side जो आपके followers देखेंगे.
And I also love shooting. Like I love shooting other people. Okay. So I do that. I like to edit and stuff. So these are the things I like.
Okay. Favorite childhood cartoon?
Tom and Jerry. Simple.
तो कार्टून देखते थे आप बचपन में?
Yeah, I used to draw.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you still draw?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I can still draw and show it to you. Like.
Okay. Climb a mountain or jump from a plane?
Climb a mountain.
Any mountain that you have visited recently?
I have done Himachal. I've gone to Tosh. पूरा literally trek करके. So yeah.
तो आपको कैसी जगह अच्छी लगती है? Summer, I mean ठंडी जगह या फिर?
I like summers.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो how you liking? I mean, I think you shifted Mumbai in 2013.
Yeah.
और उसके बाद से जर्नी कैसी रही है? जयपुर में कुछ अलग था, यहाँ पर आने के बाद में चीज़ें चेंज हुई?
See, Jaipur में it was all like study and like the family thing. Like in Jaipur, I was just like doing my college, schools and like मेरी family के साथ time spend करती थी. That's it. बाकी मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं. I never gone out alone in Jaipur. And then I shifted here. So yeah, then it was just initial years, it was just struggle. So where I was just learning acting, doing my workshops and stuff. So yeah, and now I just love my life because it's.
Who inspired you to be on Instagram?
My friends, they were all on Instagram and they were like, you're not there.
Okay. Can you describe yourself in 3 words?
Funny. I don't want to say I'm hardworking, but I am.
No, you can say that.
Okay, and kind. That's it.
If you could live anywhere in the world, where it would be?
जो भी जितने भी countries मैंने visit किए उनमें से I can go to Amsterdam because it's like.
और आप वहाँ रह सकते हो?
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. And second would be Croatia.
अगर आप एक प्रोडक्ट होते तो आपकी टैगलाइन क्या होती?
That's a tough one. No idea. I would like to steal a tag.
Okay.
Can I do that?
Absolutely.
Comfortably sexy.
Okay. Okay, describe a perfect kiss in 3 words.
Soft, passionate, and third would be fresh, like good breath. Obviously, it's very important.
Yes, that was very important, which a lot of people forget while mentioning a perfect kiss. Okay. So your fans would like to know that आपको बहुत सारे लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं, the post and the stories that you put on Instagram, that is also very inspiring for people, and you know people look forward to it. जो आपके फॉलोअर्स होते हैं, तो what do you look forward for? आप जब Instagram पे हो, आप कुछ लोगों को फॉलो करें, तो what are the people जिनको आप फॉलो करती हैं, what are the categories, and आपने अगर लेटेस्ट किसी को अगर फॉलो किया हो which you would like to share?
Okay, so latest मैंने करीना कपूर खान को फॉलो किया because she's new to Instagram. And I like to see, I follow a lot of travel pages, and yeah, I like watching, like, you know, travel vlogs and, you know, good photo shoots, and it also helps me, like, you know, like it's good for you know, normal information, like whatever is going on, it's just there on Instagram.
Okay. So you like Kareena Kapoor?
Yeah, I love her.
How do you like the content that she is posting right now?
She has, I guess, only posted 4 to 5 pictures, and they all are like all family stuff, which is beautiful.
Last phone number that you saved on your phone?
Last phone number. So I saved like 2 दिन पहले मैंने एक सब्जी वाले का नंबर सेव किया था because I feel so lazy. So I'll just call him and he'll just deliver.
Okay.
So funny.
No, that's a nice one. I will try that next time.
Yeah, you should. You know, like every evening you go just to buy sabzi, which is tough.
Right. Have you stalked anyone on Instagram?
Stalked. No. Stalked as in like you just go every time and just
check कि क्या नया post आया है.
No.
Okay. एक अच्छी चीज़ और एक बुरी चीज़ सोशल मीडिया के बारे में.
सोशल मीडिया के बारे में एक अच्छी चीज़ ये है दैट लाइक जो भी चल रहा है दुनिया में, अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, अराउंड द ग्लोब, यू जस्ट नो ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड समहाउ आई ऑल्सो फील दैट ये सोशल मीडिया की वजह से आपको थोड़ी बहुत गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन भी मिलती है, विच इज़ अ बैड पार्ट. सो इट हैज़ लाइक बोथ द साइड्स.
फेमस होने के पहले और फेमस होने के बाद की लाइफ में व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस?
See, famous होने से पहले I was only doing like I was just like, you know, with my family, and I was just studying. Famous होने के बाद I get to travel a lot, and yeah, I like this life.
और किसी को बोला है कि मुझे फॉलो करो Instagram पे, TikTok पे या किसी और सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे? कभी नहीं. और किसी को ब्लॉक किया है कभी?
Yeah, I think सब करते हैं, मैंने भी किया है. बहुत लोगों को ब्लॉक किया है.
आप कभी ट्रोल हुई हैं?
No.
Okay. Who is your favorite superhero?
Wonder Woman.
Okay.
Yeah, she's a girl, and yeah. Okay. I'm a feminist.
Yeah, I saw that you have written that you are a feminist.
Yes.
Okay. And you are proud about it?
I don't know. Proud होने वाली बात है या नहीं, but yeah, I am feminist.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you like the word dapper?
Yeah, it's cool.
Cool. Have you used that word?
No.
Never? Do you believe in love at first sight?
No.
Okay. Since we are talking about love, I just want to, you know, ask you about Akshay. If you would like to share something about Akshay, because I'm sure जितने भी आपके followers हैं वो आपके recent post देख रहे हैं, मैंने भी देखे, तो that first thing that came in my mind also was who is Akshay? And if you would like to describe him a little bit.
Yeah, so Akshay is my husband. and we dated for like 5.5 years, and recently like last year we got married. And he's the like वो पहला इंसान है जिससे मैंने Facebook टेक्स्ट पे किसी से बात की होगी, एंड ही इज़ द फर्स्ट गाय. बाकी मेरे मैसेजेस आज तक मैंने like I've never opened them and like replied, and he's my husband, so I got like he's from social media.
अच्छा, आप उसको कहाँ मिले थे अक्षय को आप?
Facebook.
ओके, फेसबुक
Yeah.
इन जयपुर ओनली?
No, I was here only.
ओके.
Yeah.
व्हाट इज द वियर्डेस्ट टैगलाइन जो आपने अभी तक सुनी होगी?
Weirdest tagline. Yeah, I think. Yeah, कि मैं योगी आदित्यनाथ की बेटी हूँ. I get that a lot.
Okay.
But I'm not.
And you also do yoga, maybe that you might have heard of.
I do yoga, but Yogi is my surname. I'm not Yogi because I'm Yogi.
Okay. So a few this or that. I'm going to give you two options. आपको
Okay.
उसमें से एक select करना है, which you prefer the most.
All right.
So books or movies?
Movies.
Texting or talking?
Talking.
Hot shots or long dress?
Hot shots.
Beaches or mountains?
Tough one. Beaches surrounded with mountains. Can I say that?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
ऐसी कोई जगह जहाँ पर आप गए हो ऐसे? Beaches with mountains?
No. Okay, then I'll just say beaches. But I love mountains as well. That's not fair.
Daily soaps or web series?
Web series.
But you have done a lot of daily soaps.
Yeah.
Beauty or money?
I'm beautiful, I'll go for money.
Online shopping or in-store shopping?
In-store shopping.
Pizza or pani puri?
Pani puri.
Candlelight dinner or long drive?
Long drive.
On pani puri, do you get pani puri in Jaipur?
Oh yes. And I feel like मैंने हर जगह पे ट्राई किया है. मुझे जयपुर जैसी पानी पूरी कभी नहीं मिली कहीं पे भी.
मुंबई की पानी पूरी बहुत फेमस है, तो you know, uncomparable.
Yeah.
Candlelight dinner or long drive?
Long drive.
You drive?
I can drive, but I don't have license,
Okay.
so they don't allow me.
Obviously. Winter or summer?
Summer.
Early bird or a night owl?
Night owl.
Kangana or Deepika?
Kangna.
Shirtless or suited?
Suited.
Amitabh Bachchan or Shah Rukh Khan?
I love both, but I'll choose Shah Rukh.
Okay. Iron Man or Thor?
Thor.
Okay. अच्छा, I am going to give you some taglines, a few questions. ये questions सुन के आपके मन में कौन सा celebrity आता है सबसे पहले mind में? That you have to tell me.
Okay.
Why are you always partying?
Karan Johar. Yeah.
Okay. Will you follow me?
At Westwick.
Okay. तो if you meet Karan Johar in a party, आप क्या बोलोगे उनको?
I'll just ask him कि इतना पार्टी क्यों करते हो यार?
Okay. How much do you party in a week?
In a week? No, actually मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पार्टी नहीं करती. And my plan is always to go out somewhere and then party.
Okay. ठीक है. The next question is, where is all the food going? If you have to ask me.
Deepika.
Okay. You should change your PR.
Shahid Kapoor.
Okay. I don't think you're funny.
Varun Dhawan.
Okay. Would you date me?
Okay. Salman Khan.
Okay. Why are you so beautiful?
Kareena Kapoor. Yeah.
If you had to like, love and admire these three people, Salman, Shah Rukh, Abhishek, who it would be?
Like Abhishek, love Shah Rukh, and no, love Salman and admire Shah Rukh.
I'm going to ask you a few questions. Just you have to rate yourself from 1 to 5.
Alright.
1 being very bad, 5 being very good.
Okay.
Fitness,
3.
flirting,
0. 1.
Emotional.
Emotional. 4.
Driving.
2.
That is why they don't allow you to drive.
Yeah.
Keeping secret.
4.
Ignoring people.
4.
Saying no.
Saying no. 2.
Okay. Bindas.
4.
Telling a lie.
1.
Making friends.
3.
Adherence to timeline. Disciplined.
3.
ओके तो जैसे कि अभी वुमेन्स को बहुत ही बोल्ड कैरेक्टर में दिखाया गया है, मूवीज़ में दिखाते हैं और वेब सीरीज़ में है, तो आपने भी ऐसे कोई कैरेक्टर्स किए हैं? वर यू ऑफर्ड सच रोल्स बिफोर?
या मुझे बालाजी रागिनी एमएमएस के लिए ऑफर आया था, लेकिन एक्चुअली 2 बार. बट या सो आई जस्ट रेड द स्क्रिप्ट एंड एवरीथिंग एंड मुझे लगा नहीं कि आई शुड डू दैट कैरेक्टर बिकॉज इट डिडंट मेक एनी सेंस. एंड या अगर कहीं पे कोई ऐसी स्टोरी है जहाँ पे कैरेक्टर को लाइक थोड़ा यू नो लाइक इफ़ आई फील लाइक मेरे कैरेक्टर को ज़रूरत है ऐसे सीन्स करने की, देन आई वुड डेफिनेटली डू इट. बट इट्स जस्ट फॉर बोल्ड सीन्स, देन आई डोंट वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ सच.
इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टोरी, क्योंकि स्टोरी और बोल्ड सीन्स में कोई कनेक्शंस नहीं है.
एग्जैक्टली देयर आर जस्ट बोल्ड सीन्स.
ओके,
so if you are just selling on some project on this, then I don't want to do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So nothing related to a story. Nothing
Yeah.
that
It
is
was just I
inspiring
was
you.
just playing some second lead, and I had scenes with the guy and the girl both, and that was it about my character.
Okay.
So it didn't make sense to me. And
So
I was
it is
like,
specifically क्योंकि वो character वैसा था, या फिर you were looking out for something?
Have you seen Ragini MMS web series?
नहीं, I have
If you do, then you'll realize that it's all just bold scenes and
Okay.
it's nothing else.
So nothing related to story.
No,
Nothing
no,
is
no.
that. Nothing is
Yeah.
there which is inspiring you or
Exactly,
making you a
yeah.
bold character there. Okay.
So I don't judge like you should not do bold scenes. You can definitely do, but if your script and your character requires, then you can just go and do it. But it should make sense. That's all I think.
Right. Shruti, you have met Salman Khan, और सलमान खान से आप जब मिले तो आपको कैसा लगा, and what did you tell him?
So मैं सलमान खान से 2 बार मिल चुकी हूँ, और सो फर्स्ट टाइम वो अपनी फिल्म प्रेम रतन धन पायो का प्रमोशन के लिए आए हुए थे व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग बालाजी शो, एंड वी डिड अ एपिसोड. सो आई वाज क्वाइट नर्वस, but it was fun. Like he's really good and everything, and we shot for like 2-3 hours. So we were all just chilling and everything, but yeah, I was like super nervous.
But did you tell him anything? Did you tell him anything special?
No, I that's really bad, like I just can't go there and like say things. But yeah, we worked on our script, and we were like talking like for the script and everything, and we clicked pictures and everything. That's it. Okay. The second time I met him, it was in the flight, and he was just sitting like मेरे आगे वाले seat पे, and I didn't know, and everybody was just coming and clicking pictures, and I just thought that it's just, I don't know, some celebrity. And the Shera was sitting next to me, and I thought he's some, I didn't know like who is he, but I could figure out like he's somebody, like मुझे लगा कि वो that Sulaiman, people like those singers, because he was wearing that being human things. So I couldn't realize, and then हम लोग just flight से उतरे, and मुझे पता नहीं था कि वो सलमान खान है, and there was this bus जो हमें एयरपोर्ट तक लेके जाती है. So it was just Salman Khan and his 4 people, and accidentally मैं बस में enter हो गई क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता था वो सलमान खान है, and everybody is just clicking pictures, and I'm stuck in the bus with them. But I couldn't talk to him.
You did not talk to him?
No, I just couldn't do that.
So if you meet Shah Rukh Khan, what would you like to tell him?
I would I'll ask him कि इतनी जल्दी शादी क्यों की.
Okay. And if you meet Bill Gates?
I'll ask him to adopt me.
Okay. I think a lot of people are looking forward for that.
Yeah, absolutely. We should not miss chance.
Yes. Shruti, you're planning to make a career into acting, and you're looking forward to do a lot of films, web series, or maybe a lot of projects in Bollywood. तो there is a perception with people that कि इंडस्ट्री में आना इतना easy नहीं है, बहुत सारी चीज़ों के थ्रू जाना पड़ता है, like casting couch is something that people talk about. So आपने कभी ऐसा फेस किया है कि ऐसे कोई डिफिकल्ट रिक्वेस्ट आपके पास आई है? So if it has come, how had you tackled it?
See, the thing is, ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं and it's very normal here, but it's very easy to tackle as well. Like, you know, like people who are promising you such roles on conditions, they will never going to give you any work. That is for sure. Maybe even if you do that and, you know, like for some people it works out or something like that, but it will never take you ahead. It's just your talent which can, you know, lead you somewhere. So that's what I believe in. And yeah, these things like it happens, but mostly if you want to do good films and everything, then chances है कि वहाँ पे ये चीज़ें कम होती है. But you know, like those people who are just trying to make films and all, and maybe they are in the industry only for this thing, that is why they are producing stuff and all, and they are not doing good work, so you can just say no. And also I feel like now अभी जो ये टाइम है, इस वक्त आप सोशल मीडिया पे कर सकते हो बहुत कुछ, और इफ़ यू रियली हैव टैलेंट, यू कैन डांस, यू कैन एक्ट एंड डू थिंग्स, देन देर आर चांसेस एंड यू कैन, यू नो, लाइक.
And I believe social media के होने से you can showcase your talent in a very better way, and आपका talent देख करके people are, you know, casting you in the films and movies.
Yeah, that's happening, and it's the time when you can just if you have talent, you can just put it out there and you can go anywhere you want.
तो आपके सामने कभी ऐसी कोई डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन आई है, and how did you tackle it? I'm sure अभी आप उस पर बहुत हंसते होगे क्योंकि आप उसको टैकल करके बाहर निकले हो, बट ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन?
टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, ये सिचुएशंस हुई हैं, ऐसी चीज़ें हुई हैं, और इट नेवर बॉदर्ड मी बिकॉज आई इट वॉज वेरी सिंपल. इट्स नॉट लाइक, यू नो, मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुई थी, लाइक आई न्यू लाइक व्हाट आई हैव टू डू एंड आई डिड इट, एंड इट नेवर बॉदर्ड मी. बट दीज थिंग्स, लाइक, या, इट्स नॉर्मल, इट हैपन्स.
Well, you should just know कि आपको उसको कैसे
करना है. Exactly.
Okay.
Because I know, like, इस तरीके से काम नहीं होता है. मतलब if you're really here to work, this is not the way you work here.
Okay. One superpower if you had, what it would be?
I wish I could fly. Yeah.
I'm going to give you a few cues, and you need to guess the song.
Okay.
Song or movie?
All right.
ठीक है. Sunglasses, Jhandu Balm, and Robin Hood.
The Bun.
Okay. Any song that you remember out of that?
Jhandu something.
Jhandu Balm.
Jhandu Balm, yeah.
Briefcase, yellow helmet, and remote. Your first crush.
अंदाज अपना अपना?
No. PK.
अच्छा, PK. Okay.
Scooter, cycle, basketball, धूप and spaceship.
जादू वाली मूवी यार. What was?
You can maybe sing, so वो जल्दी आएगा.
It's just 1 minute. कोई मिल गया?
Yes. Camera, tattoo, scars on head.
Camera, tattoo,
scars on head. A lot of tattoos. I'll give you additional cues.
Okay, please.
Again, your crush, your childhood crush.
Okay, so it's Amir and lots of tattoos, and what else?
Camera, and scars on head.
Scars on head.
You can also give up. That is okay. You don't need to stress.
No, I have no idea.
Gajni.
Gajni.
So a lot of tattoos.
Okay.
याद रखने के लिए. Okay. Lifeboat, heart, dog, and a cruise.
That Dil, Priyanka Chopra and Farhan Akhtar and Ranveer Singh movie, yeah. Okay, so Dil, I don't know.
हाँ, go ahead, Dil.
Yeah, it's that one only, right?
Yes.
Dil de Rakhne Do?
Yes,
Yeah.
you're absolutely right. Yay! So let's clap for yourself.
Thank you.
So we asked a lot of questions to you. Thank you so much for answering them so boldly.
So guys, I had great time with Bioscope and hope आप लोगों को सब पता चल गया है मेरे बारे में, जो भी आपको मेरे सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू नहीं पता होगा. So yeah, this was really good and if you like this video, please share, subscribe and like.